कर दे उसको। ठीक है, कोई नहीं ज्वाइन होगा। Good afternoon, online and offline students. So we are back with our new session on case study, and today we are going to do a case study on Namakkal. Namakkal. This case study belongs within the domain of agriculture. Right now, the agriculture is going on. Namakkal. This is also called as the egg city of India. Egg city of India. Fine. So I'm drawing a rough map of Tamil Nadu, or I will try to show some more locations so you guys could have a better insights of Tamil Nadu. ठीक है, just a rough map. We have a Puzhal Lake here. This Puzhal Lake is one of the prime lakes that is supplying water to the city of Chennai. We have a Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram, that is famous for saris. Here we have a Salem. Salem is called as the steel city of Tamil Nadu. It is known as the steel city of Tamil Nadu, and it is also famous for bauxite. ठीक है. Here we have a Ramanathpuram. Ramanathpuram. This Ramanathpuram has huge deposits of graphite. ठीक है. यहां पे we have a Nilgiri Hills. इसके अलावा we have a Kambam Valley here. ठीक है. We have one यहां पे अगर मैं बना दूं तो this is a Palk Strait. This is a Palk Strait. This is the area of Palk Strait, and we also have India's first marine national park, that is Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, which is the first marine national park of India, is also located here, and this is also famous for dugong. ठीक है, dugong is a marine creature. Fine. और क्या है? और we have a Tirupur. We have a Tirupur here. This is called as the city of textiles. Tirupur is known as a city of textiles. Fine. Now we have a question that we can easily align with the case study. ठीक है, वो देख लेते हैं. This place has a Namakkal. Somewhere here we have a Namakkal. ठीक है, and currently we are doing a case study of Namakkal. So please write down the question that have been asked years of UPSC examination, and we can use this particular case study in regard to such questions. The question is, write down the question, that India's poultry sector has become one of the fastest growing growing areas of country's agriculture sector. Examine its opportunity. Examine its opportunity and challenges. ठीक है, this question was asked in 2022 and 2023 in fact, and this was of 15 marks. Fine. So this was the question that was asked. Please write down. The question was, India's poultry sector has become one of the fastest growing areas of country's agriculture sector. Examine its opportunity and challenges. And it was of 15 marks asked in 2023. So now I'm moving to the case study and drawing a rough map of Namakkal here. This is the rough map of Namakkal. Here we have a Rashipuram. We have a Koli Hills. Okay. Here we have another place, that is Tiru Chain Gonda. Okay. And the river Kaveri is flowing from here or passing across Namakkal. This is river Kaveri. This is river Kaveri. Fine. This is river Kaveri. So this is the rough map of Namakkal, which is also called as the egg city of India. Okay. So now I am going to write down few points which are responsible for making Namakkal as the egg city of India. Okay. Namakkal says, or the data says about Namakkal is that Namakkal has exported around eggs that are worth 1,000 crores in the year 2023. Okay. And on a regular basis, it is producing 5 crore eggs per day. 5 crore eggs per day it is being produced in Namakkal, which accounts for 95% of total eggs produced in a one day. ठीक है, पूरे दिन में जितना पूरे इंडिया में प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है उसका 95% is being produced by Namakkal in one day. That is around 5 crore to 6 crores. 5 crore plus है. ठीक है. So Namakkal has taken some initiatives and these initiatives have yielded a good results. The first is the reason behind this is the geography and climate of Namakkal. First is the geography and climate. The climate, the temperature जो है, temperature of Namakkal is stable and also have very less humidity. ठीक है. The areas that have very less humidity, these are the ones which reduce the risk of poultry disease. Areas with less humidity reduces risk of poultry disease. ठीक है. Another reason is that this area lies within the Kaveri region. This area lies within the Kaveri delta and therefore there is a steady growth or supply of steady availability of maize and corn, steady day availability of maize and corn, which is used as a feedstock, which is used as feedstock for poultry. Fine. Another point is proximity. Its proximity to Coimbatore ensures big market of its eggs. ठीक है. Plus Namakkal is also well connected to big towns like Bangalore and Chennai. ठीक है. So there is a continuous supply of eggs from Namakkal to the Bangalore as well as Chennai and as well as to the Coimbatore. So these big centers are the markets for the eggs that have been produced in Namakkal. Third is, in 1980s, for a very first time, a group of farmers started poultry farming on experimental basis. They carried out poultry farming on experimental basis and they succeed. Okay, they succeed. As they got a success, others also started imitating them. As they become successful, it initiates or it triggers a chain reaction among the farmers. It triggers the chain reaction among farmers. Okay? Means once the farmers realize that yes, this venture is profitable, all of them started getting engaged into the poultry farming. So ऐसा होता भी है normally. अगर कोई एक community successful हो जाए या फिर like you know पंजाब के areas में you know कि people have started migrated to the Canada and Australia. So slowly and gradually all of the youngsters looking upon them as a role model कि हमें भी जो है आपका आप वहाँ पे ही जाना है ऑस्ट्रेलिया यहाँ पे कनाडा पे. ठीक है. In the same manner, these farmers have got the success, so they have tried this, and now people are getting engaged into the poultry farming. Other is Tamil Nadu Animal and Veterinary Science University. This particular university has also played an important role. They have carried out research programs. Trainings, and encouraging the farmers to adopt best practices and modern technology. ठीक है. In fact, they worked on managing disease, plus they have also developed some chickpeas. They have developed high yielding breeds. Fine. Another point is the Tamil Nadu government's scheme of integrated poultry scheme that provides 50% of subsidy if somebody invests in this business. The government is offering 50% subsidy for those who are willing to invest in poultry farming. ठीक है. another point is Tamil Nadu have introduced eggs in their midday meal. They have introduced eggs in midday meal scheme. As the eggs have been introduced in midday meal scheme, so the demand for the eggs have further intensified. As the demand is intensified, people showed more interest in getting into this poultry farming. ठीक है, demand increase है तो obviously there will be more income for the farmers who are involved in this poultry farming. तो वही है. And the last one is egg associations. Egg associations, they have also worked very well. They have managed to negotiate prices and other issues. They have managed to negotiate prices and other issues very well with the market forces. ठीक है, means they have very well managed to they have very well managed about the collective bargaining. What all is the marketing that is required to make the product spread, to make the product spread out to the farther areas, and more farmers could be on board into this business. So very well work was done by the Egg Association of Namakkal. So all these points combined together have helped to make Namakkal one of the cities that has significantly increased their egg production in the last few years, and that is why Namakkal is called as the egg city of India. So this was all about the case study. You can see the maps. One is the Tamil Nadu map, other is the regional map that we have drawn on the next page, and this is the question which can be aligned with this particular case study. ठीक है, तो देख लो इसको and copy it as per your convenience. Okay, this is all about that. That's it. It's over. Goodbye. Take care. फिर मिलेंगे. अलविदा.